So before I'm gonna go my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, Jubaer Learning Tech. So here you get Cisco networking project and web development course with Jubaer Learning Tech. So I think you guys subscribe to my channel. So now I go to the project. Okay. So here first of all I take two PC. One. Here is another one. After that I take one switch here, then I give the connection here. So I take the copper strength, this one. Okay, then I give the second one also. So now I write the IP address here, 194.168.1.2. Okay, and then similar one also I take here. Here I take the last one will be 3. Okay, now I give the configuration, go to desktop, then I give the IP address here, then click here. Automatically this one came. Then I go to the desktop. Okay, so the last number will be 3 here. This one came almost. Okay, so if it I send data one side to another side. Okay, I take that from PC0 to PC1, send here. This is showing successfully here. If that I send here PC1 to 0, this one also successful. Suppose that if I send again, this one also successful. So now I go to the simulation here. If I click here, automatically this one showing successful. Okay, so data one side to another side going to successful. Actually this project for the beginners who are starting in Cisco networking. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Okay, and then suppose that I send again this one. Okay, this and again this one. Okay, from 1 to 0 successful here. This one also successful. If that I check again. Okay, this one go first here, then come back here. Okay, successful. Here is the connection. Okay, so now I go to the here common. I write the ping here, ping 194.168.1.3. Okay, then enter. Need to wait here sometimes. Okay, this one already ping, ping. 194.168.1.2. Okay, then enter. It will sometimes here. This one also successful, the pink. So now I go to the PC1, then I go to the command line here, pink 19168.168.1.2. okay, then enter. It took sometimes. Okay, this one also pink, here also pink 194.168.1.3. okay, pink here sometimes. Done. Suppose that if I send data from one side to another side successful. Okay, successful from PC1 to 0, successful. If I go to the simulation again, click here the auto capture, this I'm showing successful. Okay, okay, from 0 to 1, then come 1 here. Okay, so this one is successful here. So I think you guys enjoyed this video. If that have any problem, so go to the comment section, then put your comment. To PC here, okay, PC5 and PC6. So after that I take one router. I take this one 2811. Okay, then I put here. Then I take the connection is copper stain. Okay, connection will be first Ethernet 0x0. Okay, no problem. I take another one. Automatically choose the connection. Okay, then I give the connection this one. So now here I take the different type of network. I put here 194.167.1.2. okay, so here I put the another different type of the network. So this one will be 2. Okay, after that I put here okay, and this side I put this one will be 1. Okay, okay, so now I give the connection configuration. Go to configure, after that first Ethernet 0x0. Okay, then I put this one into on this one. See, here is the green signal. So after that I go to the PC5, then go to desktop, then put your then IP address. So the last digit here is the 2. Okay, then click here. After that default gateway. The default gateway will be the first Ethernet 0x0, the router number. Okay, this is the IP address. After that I go to second one. Actually this project for the beginner who are start Cisco networking project. Hopefully they get the benefit from this video. Okay, after that I put the router IP address and click here. Need to on this one. So here is the green signal. After that I go to PC6. Then I put the number. The last digit is 2. Okay. And click here. Then default gateway. I mean the IP address. Okay. So now it's done. Suppose that if I send one site to another site, okay, feel no problem. So now successful. If I send this side, this one also successful. Okay, here's the different type of network. So this is the C type of network IP address here. So if we send again, this one also successful from PCC 6 to 5 successful. Okay, suppose that from router to this one also successful. From router to this side, okay, this one also successful. So now I go to the simulation. Need to click here auto capture and play. See the packet going to successfully one side to another side. Okay. So here is the showing successful. Okay. So come this one come just wait. Okay. Okay. Suppose that if I send this one successful. Okay. Successful here. So now I go to the PC5. Then command line here I write ping 194.167.1.2. It will be 2. Okay, so the different one is here. So need to enter, take some times. Okay, ping. So after that I write the ping here 194.167 dot the other side 2.2. Okay, enter, take some times here. Okay, ping done. After that I go to PC6, then command line, then I write here ping 194.167.2.2. Okay, then enter, take some times, ping done. Then ping 194.168.167.1.2. Need to enter. Okay, take some times, ping done. So after that if I send that one side to another side successfully here, Suppose that now I send successful, then from 6 to PC6 to PC5 successful, then this one also successful. I go to the simulation, then check this one. Okay, this one also successful. I think whoever started Cisco project, networking project, they get the benefit from this video. Okay, so thank you so much, dear guys. If that have any problem, so go to the comment section, then put your comment, suitable comment, then I will give the reply. So after that, you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.